Hello my friends, welcome back. I hope that you're all well, safe and sound and that you're ready for another awesome Paracord project. For today's bracelet we're gonna use this Paracord Type I gold color and this navy blue or dark blue Paracord 550. The credit for today's project goes to our brother Mohammed Awyezov, so make sure to check the description box down below where I will leave the link to Mohammed's Instagram profile. Also, if you want to learn how to make this beautiful paracord bracelet I'm wearing today, the full tutorial you have in the top right corner information cards, also down below in the description box of this video. So that being said, we're gonna start. Let me just zoom a bit. And we're gonna take the fit and the gold paracord type 1 and we're gonna insert it into our bracelet base or a core. So I'm gonna detach it from the buckles and then simply from the back through the cow's hitches and from here to the back, and we're gonna pull it. Now take the ends of a gold and pull them together so we'll have the equal length from the both sides, left and the right one. And now we're gonna start with our weaves. So maybe to zoom a bit more, that will be enough. And let's start. We're gonna place our gold strand of right side type 1 on top of the core strands, then with the left side on top of the gold strand, and then from the top between the first and the second core strand from the left side, then under the core strands, and then we're gonna turn it from the back through the gap between first and second core strand from the right side and to the top. Now before we lock our gold strand loop, we're gonna take our right side blue and pull it or pass it from the top into the gap between first and second core strand of the blue and through the gold loop, like so. Now we're gonna tie it, pull the blue, and now we're gonna proceed. We're gonna take our left side gold, place it on top of the core strands, and with the right side gold from the top into the gap between first and second core strand on the right side, then under, and from the back we're gonna pass it through the gap between first and second core strand on the left side. Now we're gonna take the left side blue and pass it from the top into the gap between first and second core strand on the left side. Now we're gonna tie it. Now we're gonna take the right side gold, place it on top of the core strands with the left side from the top into the gap between on top of the right side gold, of course, and then from the top into the gap between first and the second core strand from this left side, under the two middle core strands, and then from the back through the gap between first and second core strand on the right side. From here, take your blue strand and pass it from the top into the gap between first and second core strand on the right side. So here we are, we reached the end of today's project. I hope that you like it. If you do, don't forget to leave a like, share this video with your friends and family, and if you're not subscribed, consider subscribing and hit the bell button so you'll be notified whenever we post a new video. So that being said, until the next time, stay safe, be well, wishing you just best, and see you soon. Bye!